Hey man, how was Hitler's studies?
It was a little dry, but Prof. Gladney called Hitler a mama's boy.
Yeah, Intro to Elvis was okay. Professor Siskine was a little off his game, but, I mean, he was a little awestruck out.
Don't be cruel.
It's just I could use a little less conversation.
Yeah, I can see that. What is that?
Based on events based in fiction.
What is what?
From the guy that brought you White Noise, the book, not the movie, which has nothing to do with said book.
What is that?
Dude, go turn on the news.
Lock all the windows. Close the doors. Let's go!
Cable's out. It's too late.
Just when you thought the airborne toxic event was gone, it wasn't.
It's coming right for us.
Sweet goodness.
White Noise 2.